Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you've been looking to upgrade your wallet and want an RFID wallet that is a well-made quality design, check out OGON's Aluminum V2 series wallet. This here has an aluminum shell and it's still light but very durable. I can tell I can get a lot of use out of this, and even dropping it, there's no dings or marks in it. So the quality of this was really made well. I like the logo design. It's really unique and special. Plus it has lines on this black matte finish, so it's easy to grip. And when I open it with a metal clasp, it's really easy to see everything inside. You have your cards that spread open here so you can grab what you need without getting lost. I like that it has this hidden compartment here, which is really cool. Has this clamp here, and you open that up for hiding your change, a key, or more currency. Everything that I want to fit in my wallet, this fits very easily. Plus it's easy to close and it stays closed. This fits nice in my pockets. It's really great to travel with, especially if you need everything in one space like this. This wallet gives me a huge sense of security in large crowds, especially around a ton of people or while traveling, knowing that I can use this. And if I'm walking past a hacker or a Wi-Fi pickpocketer, my information is secure in here, is why I love this. But on top of that, this was made so well, easy to use, so I love everything about it. Definitely recommend this, and if you do want to give it as a gift, it comes in a beautiful package that you can actually gift it to somebody and make their day. I love this, but that's just my point of view.